What is auto replace on keyboard settings on Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 or Watch 6 Classic? So welcome to another video of TechSor. So first we see where is auto replace. So swipe up on your watch face. Scroll down. Open settings application. Scroll down. Tap on general. Scroll down. Tap on input. Now tap on Samsung keyboard. Scroll down. And here is the option auto replace. Tap on it. As you type in the keyboard, you will see suggested word. So if you want the suggested word, just tap on the spacebar. If you enable this, then only the suggested auto replace will work. So this is auto replace. In this way you can enable or disable it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to TechSor.